औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जनवरी 2021 से लेकर दिसंबर 2021 के जो भी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स और एसए के टॉपिक्स हैं वो इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। सो CSS एग्ज़ाम रिटन एग्ज़ाम में अपीयर होने से पहले इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिए और इसमें जितने भी टॉपिक्स हैं उनको प्रिपेयर करके जाइए। सो बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। First one is water scarcity in Pakistan, COVID-19 and eradication of poverty, the modernization of agriculture, single national curriculum in Pakistan, global humanity paralyzed by COVID-19, strategic police reforms in Pakistan, FATA's merger with KP, prospects, challenges and opportunities, blue economy, the wave of future for Pakistan, 5GW and hybrid warfare, social media and the dying art of conversation, causes and consequences of energy crisis in Pakistan, advancement of artificial intelligence in Pakistan after COVID-19, corruption or democracy, no other way out, single national curriculum is must for social cohesion and national integration, internal security and public order management in Pakistan, America's place in the world, an analysis of Joe Biden's foreign policy speech, Israel's war crimes in Palestine, police reforms, use of force and accountability in Pakistan, violence against women, crisis in the Indus Basin, myths and facts about Pakistan Army, devolution of power, Pakistan's history of local governments. Foreign policy of Pakistan, future prospects and challenges, human rights and culture, India's foreign policy, a journey from non-alignment to becoming a US puppet, women police stations, police reforms and gender-based violence, challenges to tourism industry in Pakistan, growing urbanization in Pakistan, a looming challenge, the impact of education on economic growth, energy crisis in Pakistan, causes and remedies, Indo-Pacific, a theater of Sino-US Cold War, banking on equality, SBP's new policy for financial inclusion of women, FATF Pakistan and the Grey List, the innovation imperative for the development of Pakistan, climate change and global drafts, should capitalism be blamed, America-led NATO in Afghanistan, crimes against humanity call for accountability, the challenge of Islamophobia, Iran's foreign policy under RAISI, what will be the future of JCPOA, the fall of Kabul, anti-harassment laws for the working woman, taxes and economy, institutional decay in Pakistan, water scarcity in Pakistan, issues and options, great power confrontation, Russia and China versus United States, diplomacy in the age of Twitter, how to arrive multilateralism in multipolar world, the Russia-China-Pakistan Troika, a partnership that can change the world, role of decentralization, delegation and deconcentration of powers in public service delivery, securitization of water issues in Pakistan, hybrid warfare, zakat and the COVID-19 pandemic, policing extremism and terrorism in Pakistan, how Western leaders destroyed the Muslim world. These all are the important topics for current affairs and essay. So if you are preparing to appear in any competitive exam of 2022, so you must have to prepare these topics before appearing in exam. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and also share it with your class fellows, your friends. Until now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.